You understand English. You know words. You even watch videos every day. So tell me honestly, why are you still silent? Why, when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank? Is it because you don't know enough English? Or is it because you never trained your mouth to speak? And listen carefully. If you keep learning like this, watching, understanding, but not speaking, you will stay stuck. You will keep overthinking, and your confidence will never grow. But here's the scary truth. Most people stay in this loop for years. They keep saying, "One day I will speak confidently," but that day never comes. Now the real question is, are you going to stay like this or change something today? Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to Fluentcore English. I'm Gwen, and I'm really glad you're here today. Today we are not learning grammar. We are fixing the real problem that is stopping you from speaking. Because the truth is simple. You don't have a vocabulary problem. You don't have a grammar problem. You have a speaking problem. And that problem is here. Hesitation, overthinking, fear of mistakes, and that blank mind moment. Tell me honestly, when someone speaks to you in English, do you translate in your head? Do you search for perfect words? And then suddenly, you say nothing. If yes, this is exactly where you are stuck. But don't skip this part, because this is where most learners fail. If you skip this method, nothing will change. Same problem, same fear, same silence. But if you understand this one thing, your speaking can start changing from today. Your mouth is not trained. Yes, your brain understands English, but your mouth does not know how to respond. And because of that, you think too much, you hesitate, and your words don't come out. Let's fix that right now. Say this with me. I can speak English. Again. I can speak English. Now faster. No thinking. I can speak English. Did you notice something? Your brain didn't freeze. You didn't translate. You just spoke. That's the shift. And listen, if you continue like this, your speaking will start changing. Not in months, but in days. Most learners do this. They keep learning new words, new grammar, new rules. But when it's time to speak, they freeze. And if you continue like this, you will understand everything but speak nothing. That is the most dangerous stage. Fluency is not about knowing more. It is about using what you already know. And this is where everything changes. You don't need long sentences. Start small. I wake up. I feel tired. I go to work. That's it. Say it with me. I wake up. Again. I wake up. Now faster. I wake up. Good. Now next. I feel tired. Don't think, just speak. See what's happening? You are not translating. You are not overthinking. You are speaking. And this is exactly what you are missing. If you don't start speaking like this, you will stay stuck. But if you do this daily, even 5 minutes, your brain becomes faster, your mouth becomes active, and your confidence grows. You are not weak. You are just following the wrong method. Thousands of learners feel exactly like you. They understand, but they can't speak. And the moment they start using their voice, everything changes. So now tell me, after this video, will you go back to silence or will you start speaking? Because this decision will decide your future. In the next part, I will show you mirror speaking method, shadowing technique, daily routine that builds fluency. And this is where your real transformation begins. Don't skip that part, because most people do, and they stay stuck. Today, Ahmed leads international projects, travels the world, and speaks with confidence. And the only reason, he trained his mouth. So let me ask you, if he can do it, what is stopping you? Is it really English, or is it fear? Because listen carefully, this is where everything changes. Training your mouth is not just about speaking alone, it's about building a system. Not random practice, a clear system. Listen to English when you walk, when you cook, when you travel. But don't just listen, repeat. Say it out loud, copy the rhythm, copy the pauses, copy the emotion. Because your ears train your mouth, and your mouth trains your confidence. Rehook. Most people listen, very few people speak. And that's why most people stay stuck. Now let's go deeper. Read English, but not silently. Read it out loud. Feel the words. Start simple if you need to, even children's stories. Then grow. Because your mouth needs to feel English, not just understand it. Reality check. If you only learn in your head, you will stay silent. But if you speak, even imperfectly, you will improve. And this is where your change begins. Now imagine this. You are talking to someone, and this time you don't freeze. No blank mind, no overthinking, just speaking. Feels different, right? That's not luck. That's training. Next step. Find someone to speak with, even online, and make one rule: only English. Even if it feels uncomfortable, stay there, because that discomfort is growth. If you keep running away from that discomfort, you will stay exactly where you are. But if you face it, everything changes. The world is moving fast. Opportunities are everywhere, but they come to people who can speak. Jobs, business, travel, connections, all of it needs English. So ask yourself, are you ready for those opportunities or not? Imagine this. You walk into a room, you speak, and people listen. You travel and connect with anyone. You speak your ideas, and people respect you. This is not a dream. This is a result. Yes, there will be hard days. Days when you feel lazy, your confidence drops, your mind says, "Not today." That's normal. But champions don't stop there. They continue. You are not just learning English. You are building a new version of yourself. So remind yourself, I am becoming a confident English speaker. Say it, feel it, believe it. Stop waiting to be perfect. That moment will never come. Start speaking now, even if it's messy, because progress comes from action. Let's make this simple. Day 1 to 10, mirror practice. Speak daily. Record yourself. Day 11 to 20, shadowing. Listen to repeat to copy. Day 21 to 30, real conversations. No excuses, only English. If you follow this, your speaking will change. Not slowly, clearly. I have seen this happen again and again. Silent learners becoming confident speakers. Hesitation turning into clarity. Fear turning into confidence. And the same can happen to you. So right now, after this video, don't just think. Speak. Say your first sentence out loud. I am training my mouth to speak English. Again, say it with confidence. Your mouth is the gateway to your future. Every sentence you speak moves you forward. Every practice builds your confidence. Now tell me in the comments, what did you learn today? Which part helped you the most? And also tell me, did you feel more confident after this? If this video helped you even a little, like the video, subscribe to Fluentcore English so I can bring you more powerful lessons like this. And remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need to start speaking. I'm Gwen. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep speaking, keep growing. Bye.